Welcome back to our channel Agriculture and Technology. In today's video we are going to see about the caring for houseplants, a guide to thriving indoor greenery. Houseplants bring life, color, and fresh air into any living space. Whether nestled on a sunny windowsill or brightening up a shady corner, these green companions can thrive with a little attention and care. Here's a guide to keeping houseplants healthy and happy. 1. Choose the right plant for your space. Not all houseplants have the same needs. Some, like succulents and cacti, love bright, direct sunlight, while others, such as snake plants and pothos, tolerate low light. Assess the lighting in your home and choose plants that will thrive in those conditions. 2. Water wisely. Overwatering is a common mistake. Most houseplants prefer their soil to dry out slightly between waterings. Stick your finger about an inch into the soil. If it feels dry, it's time to water. Always use pots with drainage holes to prevent root rot. 3. Provide proper lighting. Light is essential for photosynthesis. Place sun-loving plants near south or west-facing windows. For low-light plants, east or north-facing windows work well. If natural light is limited, consider using grow lights. 4. Feed your plants. Houseplants need nutrients to grow. Use a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer every 4 to 6 weeks during the growing season, spring and summer. Reduce feeding in fall and winter when growth slows. 5. Maintain humidity. Many houseplants, especially tropical varieties, appreciate higher humidity. Mist leaves occasionally, group plants together, or use a humidity tray to increase moisture in the air. 6. Prune and repot. Trim dead or yellowing leaves to encourage new growth and prevent disease. Repot plants every 1 to 2 years or when roots outgrow their containers, using fresh potting mix. 7. Watch for pests. Keep an eye out for common pests like spider mites, aphids, and mealybugs. If you spot any, isolate the affected plant and treat it with insecticidal soap or neem oil. 8. Enjoy the benefits. Caring for houseplants is rewarding. Not only do they beautify your home, but they also purify the air and boost your mood. With a little attention, your indoor garden will flourish year-round. Bringing nature indoors is simple with the right knowledge and care. Happy planting! Like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos.